Hi everyone, quick video here and also just a quick tip for this project. So I just had the keys made today for the 900 so I can operate the locks now. I had an issue with the tailgate or trunk here. The key would only turn about this far, so I knew the key was correct, but I knew something was seized. So I will leave the key here and I'll show you what's going on. So if you look inside, and we'll look up inside here behind the, on the back side of the deck lid. So here's what's going on, if the camera will focus. This is the ignition cylinder here, and then you've got these two bars here, one that goes over this piece, and then the other one is attached to this plastic slide right here. And the way that that works is, here I'll turn the key from the other side, when it's turned the one way, this plastic piece is there to engage, and then this right here is actually the back side of the release handle on the other side. And bear with me, the trunk keeps wanting to pull up. But when you lift up on it, with it unlocked, it simply pulls up on this rod here, which is attached to the trunk release. So what the problem that I had was that this plastic slide was all, the metal that it slides up against it was all full of corrosion, so that needed to be taken apart and cleaned. So here's kind of how you do that. The first thing here, this one will just kind of pull forward. Now this little green piece inside should move up, but in this case this one's pretty loose, so I'll just pull that out of the way. And then the next thing to do is just push this bar back, and then that will link, should unlink from this piece here, and then that'll kind of dangle. So then bring this bar up and around, okay? Now again, this one slides freely now because I've taken it apart and cleaned everything. But if you're trying to get this out, there is a little bit of a trick to it. This will only slide so far. So if you push this over to the right, see, it's hitting the cylinder. So you think, okay, well, I'll just take the cylinder out. Well, the problem is this is an issue caused by corrosion. So my guess is that if you have corrosion on the back of the handle, you're also going to have corrosion on the back of these bolts, which is the case that I have here. And they were all corroded up and they're seized. So there's a very simple solution to this. So just slide this back, and then you can actually, and again, this is very difficult to do one-handed if I can do it, but you'll lift up on the handle, and then that will actually clear, especially with this out of the way, that will actually clear the cylinder to move it. So I'm going to see if I can lift up on here without the trunk. Yeah, the trunk's getting away from me here. I'll pull that down further. So if you lift up and then slide, it will slide out as unelegantly as I just showed it there, but that'll move out of the way, and that gives you a chance to kind of clean up the plastic here. And wow, my hands are dirty. I'm gonna have to clean that again, but you'll be able to clean the plastic, clean up any imperfections, and then also put some lithium grease or whatever lubricant you want. And then this piece up here, it's not going to focus, but anyway, this the moving parts, or the parts that contact right up here, you'll just want to sand all that down till it slides nice and free, and then installation is the reverse of removal, and you should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching.